Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1964 Lincoln Continental. This casting is by Matchbox. But then you might be wondering why it says Ford on top of it. Is that a printing error? Well, not really. See, Lincoln is owned by Ford. So even though it says Ford, it might be a Lincoln at the bottom. Same company. So they might have since they got the license for making this one, it's owned by Ford, so that's why they might have mentioned Ford there. But it looks like a nice casting. I think it came out last year. I finally got my hands on it, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Lincoln Continental out of its box. First thing first, it's a huge car. I mean, see it, it's huge bonnet, huge trunk. It's a long car and it suits it from the era it is. But we are here to look at the Matchbox one, so let's start from the front. So up front you've got a chrome grille, chrome headlamp, chrome bumper. I know that it can't be detailed in such a great way, especially for a mainline, but it looks good. If you want, you can maybe detail the headlamps, but it doesn't look bad. You've got a big hood with this big bonnet, big fenders. Everything is so long in this car. You do get both the windshield wiper, which is a good thing. Also single mirror, again good thing. Hats off to Matchbox for doing that. Now moving to the driver's side, these wheels, they look good here. Matchbox has used this on a lot of older cars and they look like kind of steel rims with hubcaps, so they don't look bad. You also get detailed door handles, painted door handles. As you can see, the rear one opens in the opposite direction, or suicide doors, I think they're called. So good details there. Also you can see the driver's side, there's a fuel filler cap, which I think was used a lot. And you do get a badge in the back, which I think reads Continental. And then you have this chrome trim going all the way from front to back. Just here, even the wheels have this chrome trim. If you look closely, again, which is a good detail. So is this chrome trim going from front to back. So a lot of good details on the side by Matchbox, and I really like it. Now let's move to the back. So if you look from this angle, you can see that tail lamps are detailed, but when you go to the back, they are not really detailed. I don't know why. It would have looked so much better if they were painted. But it does come with a chrome bumper, and you can see twin exhausts. They look like exhaust, I'm not sure. Again, a really big trunk with the rear windshield. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, minus the mirror and the fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the top. You can see how long the car is. Interior is finished in blue, and believe it or not, I've seen a Continental with blue interior in a classic car show. So they did come out with blue interior. It's not Matchbox messing it up. It's actually the car had blue interior. Oh, I did forget to mention the Lincoln badge on the C-pillar. Look at the thickness of C-pillar. It's such a thick C-pillar. This is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I like the casting. It looks really good. And let me throw this out in the air. If Matchbox does a black one, I think it's gonna look even better. Well, that's my thought. Let me know what you think about the casting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.